Okay, how to ensure the impeller and the pump go back together. First of all, make sure your back plate has the O-ring in the back plate, not on the casing. So put your back plate back on, align the screws with the two grooves, ensure the seal assembly is in there. Press, rotate, lock. Next thing is take your casing, put it on, make sure it aligns with the grooves. Go ahead and take your clamp, put your clamp on. Tighten your clamp. Then go ahead and take your impeller. You can spray it with a little bit of silicone, food grade silicone. Then go ahead and kind of rotate it until it fits into the shaft. Then rotate it a little more, and then we can just fold in the ends and just press it in. And now you're good to go. Just, again, the O-ring on top, put together. And clamp it together. That's it.